Okay, how are these looking? Should
Yeah.
I move along to see some more?
Yes, please.
Okay, come wide.
Okay, coming wide.
I mean, there are bamboo corals for sure. I'm
Yeah.
just looking if there's anything else.
Big sponge down below.
Yeah.
It's a little different way down there, but there's more spot
The one
just tucked underneath.
above.
What about
With
top
the
on
white
the left?
base?
Top
Yeah,
on the
the
left.
top
yeah.
left.
Yeah,
Yeah.
top left.
With that white thing on
Yeah,
it.
it's a little different one.
Pushing in.
Not yet.
Not staying out.
Good eye, Tim. And Suna.
Okay, you're good. Go ahead.
Pushing in. And that could be some
That's squiggly.
bubble.
It's all brittle star.
Yeah, I don't see any polyps on it.
That's a ton
Definitely.
That used to be a bamboo.
No,
Bubble
it
gum?
Doesn't look like a bamboo.
looks,
Bubble gum.
Wow.
what is it?
Dead.
All right,
Maybe
come
it's a new
wide.
type of brittle star.
Hemicorallium, maybe?
Is that full wide?
It's only half coral?
No,
Yeah. Funny names.
that's full wide.
All right. Any other weird ones?
Speak now or hold your weird
Well, this one
coral
down
piece.
below there, directly down the bottom there. Do you think that's another bamboo?
Slightly right of center.
Yeah.
I see what you're seeing. Just underneath that micro overhang.
Yep.
And then that line of dots
Like a little
above
more
it.
lower
Yeah.
delta, please. Just to get this last little stretch.
I think that line of dots is some of those micro.
Yeah, the stolen ones.
Yeah.
Okay, Wayne, go ahead there.
All right. Let's push in.
Yeah.
Oh, they are cute. Stoloniferous. The little itty bitty mushrooms.
Okay, pushing in more.
Yeah, you kind of derm down there too, or something.
The amount of zoom these cameras have is incredible.
That's a bamboo. I can see
still
the
have
dark
a-
nodes.
Okay.
That's as much as I got.
Yeah, that looked like the same one up top too.
Yeah, right.
And if you come straight down, I think there's any kind of derm there.
Come wide for a second.
No, okay,
Coming wide.
right there.
This thing? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's a cool one.
Actually, I think it's a sponge.
You do?
You can see,
Okay.
yeah, you can see the
Yeah.
Yep.
operculum
Yeah, yeah,
there.
yeah. Okay.
It has stars on it.
Oh, look at that.
Starry-eyed.
It looks
It's
like
one of my new favorite sponges.
Gosh,
right
that
there.
attachment is amazing.
That is
Isn't
a
that cool?
metal sponge.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
say.
Who took all those
Okay,
little
too hard.
threads out?
Yeah.
I'm in the rock.
that's so strange.
Okay.
That's a firework. That can be in the firework classification.
There's a lot of stuff in this little area.
Yeah. Well, I'm hoping it's this promontory. I was hoping it would have a little more, more happening.
It's the best place so far, I think, for firing nesticants.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think the first place, that overhang we had when we just got
Yeah.
to the top, was really interesting too.
No, I guess we fired all the niskins, huh?
No.
No,
we
we
only
have
fired
two.
two.
We got one.
No, but I
two.
mean, our team has fired both of them.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone else wanted to save it for us.
Bridge nav, 20 meters, bearing 080.
Yeah, like all the stolen ones up there too. Stolen Everest.
It looks. That looks like a porcelain toilet.
It's getting late in the band.
Yeah.
Oh, here's one of the cool satellite dish sponges.
Looks like a tipped over teacup.
Yeah, it does.
Little handle on the
Yeah.
bottom there. Oh, not as when I get closer, it does not anymore.
Wow.
Go ahead and zoom there, Wayne.
You're doing all the zoom for me.
Manual zoom is walk closer.
Yeah, I can. If you, we can get molecular if you want.
Yeah, look at all the little small coral things.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
those are all
wow.
just below the sponge there. Yeah.
They're all over this wall.
Yeah, they're all over, yeah.
These guys?
Yeah.
The- yeah, hold on.
Yeah, the
Let's get
polyps
it.
look like metallic gorgia. Let
There
me
we
see
go.
if we've got something that's sort of like that. Chrysogorgia,
All right,
maybe?
come wide.
Coming wide.
Chrysogorgias grow in little dents.
Oh, wow.
It's everywhere there. It's hanging. Wow, this is
Yeah.
a great
Everywhere.
plate. Look
Wow.
at this
Whoa.
place.
Oh, there's more.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Is this a Niskin zone?
This is, it's not that far from where we fired the last one.
Yeah,
That's true.
I don't know how
Look at that
close we want to do these, but
Big guy down there.
I don't know either.
look at this. This is wonderful.
Tissue samples?
Are those all corals?
Yeah.
I think they are.
They're all over it.
You want me to push in?
Yes, please.
Okay, let me get closer first.
I mean, we could go in here and grab another bottle if you think.
Hold on, wait.
Um,
Okay, standing by. Full wide.
This is spectacular.
What about grabbing an actual sample?
Okay, go ahead. Zoom.
It would have to go in a slurp.
Okay.
We don't have any
Zooming
biologists
in.
left.
We could slurp.
Yeah.
Ooh, that'd be
Oh,
tough.
wow.
Yeah.
Not impossible, but tough.
We've done that.
Just
So
with the not being able to land at all. I might be able to wedge the bumper bar in somewhere.
I think they're Chrysogorgia.
I think so. I'm looking and there are planar chrysogorgias and there are big massive chrysogorgias and then there's like tubular ones, but they look, that's what the polyps and branches most look like
Okay, come wide.
to me.
Wide.
Would you like a sample or a Niskin or something here, or are we gonna move along?
yeah, well, let's
Full
fire
wide.
another Niskin. We got plenty.
I think,
Alright.
yeah, that's a good idea.
I mean, I'm just wondering if the squid may have planted all these. It'd be like an octopus's garden.
That'd be a nice octopus garden.
This is gorgeous.
Just like the whole wall got
Yeah,
fuzzy.
from the octopus.
Making him out to be the hero in the story. It's a good hero.
You're going for 10?
I'm gonna go for 10, yeah. Again, I'll nestle up that port side
Oh,
to
it's
the.
a big bamboo.
Yeah, it's a bunch of combination bamboo and
Do you want bubble cam view here or back to the front?
This is good, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, going for. Whoops, woo. Do that. Going for 10.
What?
Got it.
Closed.
good. Thank you, Trevor.
You're welcome.
Yeah, some
Um,
cool big
Lucky
bamboos.
13.
Can we have it like a general shot of the...
Yeah, you bet.
Look at it all the way down. So cool.
Pushing in to get rid of vignette.
All right, I can go GoPro cam again, please.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Shrimp.
Photo bombs us. Get out.
Okay.
Swim, little guy, swim.
I think he's eating something.
So, Suna, you're after kind of a general overview like this? You want me
Yeah.
to get closer.
First a general overview, just to see the site.
Okay.
Something broke off over there. It's floating down.
I'll leave the iris set if you want to just fly by it. Or Do you want to just pivot?
Can you push in now a little bit? Maybe.
Sure, go ahead.
You want some zoom?
Yep.
You want me to lens it, or
Yeah, sure.
do you want to thrust it?
Whatever science wants. Whatever student wants.
Okay, I need to get a little more light on
I think I
this.
should go forward. Is that okay with you, Zuna?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so gorgeous and just out of nowhere to have come up like that.
Wouldn't have thought that those are corals if we wouldn't have zoomed in on them.
Yeah.
Mhm. The fact they're all small makes me think that they're
Yeah,
all
they're
young. So I
very
wonder
small.
why there's a whole bunch of young ones. Or relatively young anyway.
Okay,
They're like 15 centimeters. So.
I'm gonna pull out and then also increase the iris at the same time, so we can kind of see how many there are.
Oh my goodness. And they keep going down too.
Yeah,
Yeah, forever.
This is the densest we've seen of anything. It's pretty impressive.
We're actually at a stable configuration if you want to do a full vertical transect of this wall.
Fine by me.
We can, yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, well, let's do it. I think you're zooming in there, Wayne.
Sorry.
All right, let's go down to the bottom and then look at stuff on the way up.
Okay.
If there is a bottom.
How low can you go?
Going down.
Well, they actually look like they're lineated too along certain features.
Mm-hmm.
You can see barely off to the left, they have like a...
Uh-huh.
There's a cool feature. It's almost kind of outward like this, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It's a nose.
Still no Doppler.
Looks like less of the coral here.
Yeah. So it peters out just about here.
So, yeah, I'll keep going until you guys tell me to stop. I can slide a little forward so we can see it a bit better.
Yeah.
But then once we come on the way up, we'll get nice and cozy in there. Some good
Yeah,
imaging.
the one on the left looks like a little different sort of
A different fan
Yeah.
coral.
Mhm.
Yeah. I don't think we've seen that one yet.
yeah, I don't really see anything else down here. There's
yeah,
a
it seems
bamboo
like
there,
a
but
barrier or a transition zone here.
yeah. I'm good. Suna, you good with this or
Yeah.
going
yeah.
down?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, we'll
Yeah.
hold position here. And I'll come at the wall and we'll head up it. I'll try and line up with those ones we saw that were maybe slightly different too.
Yeah, that'd be perfect. That's a great idea, Trevor, to map this out like this.
It was Miles' idea.
Oh, Miles, good job.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Genius.
Good job, Grabbers.
Forget what I said about you.
That wasn't to me.
You told me.
We officially started the transact.
Yeah.
Yeah, officially.
Officially.
Oh, bamboo.
corals.
Is that a mushroom coral? The
Mhm.
red
Yeah,
Yeah.
it looks like it, yeah.
Does look like it, yeah.
And there's the first of those
Yeah.
little planar ones.
Off to the right.
Mm-hmm.
They're so cute.
Yeah.
If you're okay, I'll leave the zoom like this and just let you
Yeah,
fly
perfect.
it. And I'll just keep an eye on the focus.
You can zoom on Argus though.
Oh, he's way down there. Get you a little bit more.
Another little mushroom.
Mm-hmm.
Might need some Argus focus too. Great.
Feel like I'm waiting for them to just pop out.
Yeah.
Star coming up.
Pardon me?
There's gonna be a star coming up.
Yeah.
Where'd they go?
Yeah.
I don't remember what our depth was to start, but we came down a fair bit.
That's what I was just looking at. The Niskin was at 1697.
Okay, so we got another 40 meters to go or 35 meters to go.
Yeah.
Oh, started to see them.
Here's some fun stuff coming up.
There they
There.
are.
Yay. They're back.
Thank goodness. We didn't lose them.
We missed you.
A little mushroom in there too.
Mm-hmm.
Pah.
That's getting good.
Wow. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Back up.
Harvesting.
Hmm.
Wow.
That really overhangs a lot more than I expected. Yet again.
Might answer the question of why they're so small.
ROVs?
Current.
Haircut. Little current haircut. That area is awesome. Like that capture right there is so cool.
That is.
Look at this big guy.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Is it on a coral?
What is that?
That
wow.
is.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Fly trap?
Yeah.
Is it
I
a
mean-
Venus flytrap?
It's attached to the coral, like all around it.
Let me get it out of my light bar first, and then we'll come back at it.
Wow.
Okay, Wayne, go ahead and zoom. It's all
Is
around
that
it.
a-
That's weird.
Upside down sea anemone?
That is weird.
It's very weird.
Yeah, I don't know.
Bonkers, yeah.
Slurp it.
Well, so, I mean, I'll try to slurp it if you want me to.
No.
Don't tempt me.
Just throw one of those rocks away, then we'll have room again.
I can just imagine the look you just got. There's a wall between us. So strange. Because it looks like it moves right down, you know? Like the polyps were wiped out or something.
Cool. All right.
Crazy.
Come on. Look at how on the kind of ridge
Yeah.
on the left, they're all there, and they're all pointed. They're all oriented across the
Yeah.
the slope. So it's not
Vertically.
like there's it's not like there's much vertical current here. It looks like a
Yeah.
side-to-side current. Am I seeing that right?
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's, well, there are some that are horizontal too up there,
Yeah.
but the ones around the points of the promontories seem to be preferred orientation.
Right. Okay.
There's a bit of red.
Beautiful color.
Wow.
Yeah.
That really pops.
Absolutely.
Slightly different coral over there too. Wow.
They're just so big, these big stalks.
Whoa, look at that big fan out there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm a big fan of that. Should we go check that out?
I'm for it.
Okay.
Super cool to start seeing some of these big sponges too.
Mm-hmm.
Been expecting them for a while.
Couple big sea anemones too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, push in, Wayne.
This is a good neighborhood.
I don't recognize that one.
I don't know.
Can't really get any closer than that, unfortunately. Wayne can.
Wow.
Let me see.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Come wide. And a bump in, Wayne.
I don't have an
Thanks.
answer for you, Sina.
I'm so not sure. I don't want to say anything.
Okay.
I want to say hemicorallium,
Mm-hmm.
but
Yeah. I'm with you, maybe not. You're muted.
You're muted.
You're muted, Wayne.
The yellow dots that are on the surface
You
of
need to
the
come up
rock,
in your delta.
Super hard to know without seeing them close up.
are those?
Do you want me to zoom in on them and find out? Or are
Yeah, just find. I can zoom in if you're comfortable. I can.
Zach will line them up.
Okay.
Yeah, there's two coming between the lasers. Go ahead, zoom.
All right. Zooming in.
Halosora on the Argus camera.
yeah.
They almost look like old holdfasts.
They look like barnacles.
Limpets.
They have like some of them had hairs coming out of them.
Okay, come wide.
Coming wide.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're barnacles.
Just
Or
couldn't
of
see.
A lot of
some
angly
type of
overhangs here.
some type of filter feeder.
They weren't solitary cub corals?
I thought
I couldn't
so.
get, yeah, I couldn't tell. I didn't see it.
Beautiful
this.
Argus view.
Yeah.
Are
Pushing
those all
pushing
more
it.
of them?
Mm.
Yeah, it
Yes.
just goes on.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of little yellow
All the way around the
thingies.
corner too with these
Yeah.
grace gorges. Yeah.
Miles, do we want to drop a target here maybe?
Yeah, whatever you want.
This is the same one as the sample, right?
Yeah, that's right. True.
Sample
Shrimp's
13.
still hanging out.
Yeah, just a note that goes all the way around the next corner too.
It's amazing. We're in a totally different spot, but we're in exactly the same spot.
Mm-hmm.
Still got another 10 meters vertical.
Wow.
Yeah, this is.
So this is going for how long approximately?
What was it, 40 meters total? But
40
we didn't get to
meters?
the bottom.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think it's about 30 meters of coral.
Right, yeah.
Wow.
Just keeps going. That's so exciting. Oh,
Someone's got a hot mic there.
yeah. Wow. Just makes me so interested. Why right here?
Why? Yeah.
Or, you know, what's unique about the reproductive strategy of this one that it could just take over an area with this kind of density? It's awesome.
Yeah, we weren't seeing anything practically before this in terms of corals.
Yeah, just sort of solitary, you know,
Yeah.
in here when they're...
I mean, the only thing that's different, it's a bit of a promontory coming around the nose of this thing.
Seems like it could be. I mean, as the light starts to shine right of her, you can just keep seeing them going.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. It keeps going around this promontory here.
Mhm. Huh. Getting a little thinner.
This looks fun right here.
Maybe not.
Are those Brazingets on the wall?
Looks like.
That's so cool. Look at this. You don't really see how big the overhang is until you look at it on Argus view.
What are Persimmons?
The sea stars?
Ah.
Yep, it's good.
Often called basket stars. They can leap off and start swimming too, which is really weird looking.
When I can see the thrusters that clearly, I'm very conscious of all my movements. Like, oh, am I doing it too much? I don't know.
Is Argus zoomed in?
Argus is way zoomed in.
I was like, are you guys snuggling? Or
Or who's snuggling? Back it up.
We were decent ways down the cliff.
Decent ways, wait, sorry?
Down the cliff
Mm-hmm.
when we did the Niskin.
It's crazy.
gorgeous. How far away was the Niskin Point?
It's now 17 meters below us.
Now we're at the top.
Wow.
Wow.
I didn't realize we were that far down the wall.
Me either.
Like, we've been reacquiring the top, like, regularly.
And this beautiful basalt.
There's probably the top here, or another couple steps. That looks topish, top-esque.
It sure does.
Wow, that was nice.
That was really cool.
17 meters of coral.
Wayne, could you come wide on Argus, please? Let's see where we're at. Okay, yeah. Thanks. Okay, well, are we going to keep going along this
Let's keep
doing it.
edge?
I want to see what this whole point looks like here.
I can back off a bit.
As Rich.
I don't know what we'll see, but we'll see what we can. You can see
love
where you're
those
at. I'll
terraces.
just go down and then come
Those
right
look-
back up.
These look like beautiful landscaping or something. You know, like the slow
Yeah, absolutely.
cascading gardens or whatever.
So this is kind of what that nose looks like. Yeah, I'm not going to go the whole way back down, but that's
No.
kind of the general overview of the top part. So we came up just on the left side of the screen. Followed that little ridge of corals there. So yeah, we'll head along the kind of the top.
Let's keep going.
Okay.
I kind of like the way we were doing that. I mean, it's great because you can actually see down below just enough to see if there is more of that stuff.
Absolutely. Okay, cool. Start moving.
Bridge nav, another step.
Oh, you're muted, Wayne.
Yeah.
I'm hearing your interesting observation, but no one else is.
Yeah, no, I was saying it appears the snow has become stationary. So the snow is moving by much faster
On the other face of it.
where we saw the dense
Hmm.
coral, which I guess would make sense.
We were moving faster too.
That's true.
These textures are just so awesome. There's a bunch of the same little coral down to the right.
Oh yeah, here they are.
Oh, and a squat lobster. One of the first we've seen. See a bright white to the right of the sponge?
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see him.
Yep. Galathade Galilei.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Wayne, zoom in, please.
Zooming in.
Hey, don't hide. I want to watch you.
No one here.
They can't see my face. They can't see me at all.
You can see the hairs on his arms. It's pretty cool. Okay,
Okay, come wide, please.
coming wide.
Bridge nav, another step.
It's like a nice mix of sponges in there and all kinds of things.
It's great.
Is that red thing on the left a crinoid or a sea star?
Sea star, I think.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It'll sort itself out.
12-legged.
Yeah, percentages can have, I think, up to 20, 22, something like that.
Wow.
Oops.
Fishy.
Found it.
Oh. Yep. Push in.
Soon.
Standing by.
Okay, go ahead. Ooh, lost him.
Got him back.
You can take bubble.
Hmm.
Looks like his eyes half closed, like he's
Yeah.
half asleep.
Looks bored.
This is lame.
Oh my
Those
gosh, now
guys
it's
are-
closing even more.
And the barbels.
I'm tired. Tired of the chase.
Completely closed his eye.
Who are you?
Well, the eyes are probably useless.
Yeah, he's not used to light for sure.
All right, come wide, please.
Coming full wide, full wide.
Look at those things. It's incredible.
Yeah.
We've gone retrograde.
Some kind of
Nice.
outfit today. You know what Steve said that we'd probably see a lot of that we haven't seen yet? Are those sea Oreos, those itty bitty little short fish. He was like, "Oh, these are super common," and I don't think I've ever seen them.
Same here.
He was,
Oreos.
yeah, and he was like, "Oh, there's a species in the Atlantic and the Caribbean," and I had absolutely no idea what he was talking about.
I have never seen that either.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was really looking forward to it, so I'm hoping maybe we'll find one here or on another dive. It's just totally not even the body plan that I normally think of. It looks much more like almost like a damselfish or a hatchetfish or something. I'm glad you haven't seen them either, Suna. Reassures me.
I hadn't seen that maybe 50% of those fishes he showed, and I was very surprised.
Yeah. There's fish lower right.
I'm gonna go up and find the top again.
Fair.
Let's look at this thing. This is a cute little
Tino 4.
see-through widget.
Okay, you want me to try to
Yeah,
acquire it?
zoom in, please. Good luck.
Well, it's going to be the background is going to be the key.
Hey, this is video hard mode.
It's not. I think that's a better focus. Ooh, that he is bioluminescent.
Yeah, I think it might be a Tino 4.
I think it's
Yeah, it looks like a Tino
That's
4.
refraction.
either refraction or even fluorescence,
Yeah.
where they emit light when they see light.
Are you sure that's not just like a snot casing? From like a liration snot house?
Could be.
I don't know.
I would not describe myself as sure.
Yeah, I just don't see the rows of combs for it to be a Tino
Yeah, you're
4.
right.
No.
We'll go with snot house.
think,
Okay, come wide, please.
I'm full wide. I'm full wide.
Thank you.
Now we're going.
Yeah, I think
bump in.
your thrust reflected off the rock.
Wayne, you can bump in.
You want more zoom?
Just past the vignetting.
Oh,
is all.
sorry. There we go. Top.
Found it.
Just looks like powdered sugar or something. It's so fine.
I wonder what it feels like in your hand. I wonder what that, is it mud or is it sand or is it,
I don't know.
It's gritty. It's sand.
It looks
It is?
sandy
Yeah.
to me.
Looks like they're moving now.
How far is waypoint 8 from waypoint 10, Miles?
Stand by.
Standing by.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be making it.
No.
2
This is-
kilometers.
Oh,
by
wow,
by
yeah.
sea crow.
This is a bit different geology.
Yeah. It's a bunch of series of sheet flows.
Bridge nav. Another step.
And it's so flat, it looks like shale.
And we lost all the growth biology stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That growth stuff.
Gross stuff.
Gross. Yuck. Biology, yuck.
It's getting in the way of the rocks. Move along.
Maybe not.
There's something.
Yeah, it looks like on the vertical surfaces facing up, we might have something. We'll have to get closer. Not as dense, but there's still some
Yeah,
there.
not nothing.
Bridge nav, another step.
This is nice prospecting, Trevor.
Prospecting?
Yeah, the way you're doing this is nice.
See if we can find all the goodies.
It's the countdown now, right? You're like, we have, we have 20 more minutes to find the good stuff before the next watch comes.
Yeah, it's still
Although,
here.
yeah, Dumbo octopus twice is pretty good to handle.
Two Dumbo octopus.
Yeah.
I think we can count it as 2 for sure. Even if it was the same one.
Distinctly separate. One had a mustache, one did not, you know.
It's because you put on the glasses with the big nose. and the
Yeah,
mustache.
exactly, a little mustache, hat. Yeah. Oh yeah, the mysterious possible sign fauna. Mm-hmm. And then the badminton birdie jellyfish.
That was my favorite today.
Which one was that?
The shuttlecock jelly.
Shuttlecock jelly. Yeah, that was really cool.
I'm going with live dangerously Dumbo octopus. Like, gonna go in for like full texture, deep, you know, eye contact with the Zeus cam.
Deep eye contact. Eye contact does not mean touching your eye.
Ugh.
I never thought about that.
You're muted, Wayne. Nope.
I think it was the same Dumbo octopus that came back for Argus too, so
Maybe.
Mm.
Maybe not, though.
yeah.
Just
Maybe it was his
didn't want to
clone.
miss out on the deep
We
eye
just
contact.
had one highly promiscuous Dumbo octopus.
The story's getting wilder and wilder.
Who are we to judge their promiscuity?
Yeah, yeah. We don't need our Puritan values on their lifestyle.
They know what they want.
They do.
They want
Deep
ROV.
eye contact.
Koala's still pervasive here,
Deep.
but not as dense.
Eye contact.
It was trying to assert its dominance.
And
Maintain eye contact.
Not too many strangers come through his neighborhood.
how can you tell it's the last half hour of watch?
Friendships. This one tiny lens flare red dot in
I
the
know.
is like really throwing me off and has the
Yeah.
whole watch. Sort of on
I
the
think we've actually
1/3 in from the left, yeah.
Where is it?
It's down. It's
Oh, it's gone.
what'd you do?
Tilted down.
I turned it off.
Oh.
Yeah, I tilted it down a little bit.
Very nice.
The mesocam throws a bunch of weird light around,
Mhm.
so I have to like, actually look off to the side to avoid it. Or some pilots just zoom way past it, and it really messes with our jam.
Look at this, it's furry again.
Once again, furry.
Oh, that's just a little kind of. You're gonna grow up and be huge, like
Oh,
your
look at
neighbors
that
down
guy.
the wall.
All the stocked animals remind me of Dr. Seuss.
Yeah, absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Wonder if he did deep sea research.
He could have.
Or mushrooms.
What do you think? Are we going to see Babby Argus or Bobby Argus tonight?
Don't know.
I spoke with one that spoke with Babby Argus. Assures they're far away, so you never know. Could be anywhere.
Babby Argus. I think Dan's fully embraced the Argus role, though. I'm sure he'll get some Herc stick time, but I think he's given just a lot of stick time. That was nice.
So they don't like the top, but they also disappear after a certain depth, right? So they have like a 30-meter range.
Yeah, definitely.
Great
They
snap.
like-
Another step.
Yeah, it's interesting, hey? Humans would have a hard time jumping down to the next ledge. This overhang's so cool.
Just for sanity, I'm going to do a quick check to make sure that we're actually at the top.
Okay.
That top snuck away on us that one time.
It did.
It's really weird. Like, I'm actually really surprised by that.
Do you remember what depth it was at?
There we go.
It's been at about 1675, I think, most of the night.
We did that Niskin bottle at 95.
97.
97, yeah. I didn't think we were like 20 meters down from the top, you know. I thought we were 5 to 10. But shows what I know. All right,
Keep you on
there's
your
the top.
toes.
What's this little guy? Just another coral. Just another coral. How many corals have we seen this dive? What do you guys guess?
Thousands.
How many beans in the jelly?
1 million.
I mean, that whole face
British
was all
nav.
just like
20
little guys,
meters,
little palm-sized
bearing
ones.
You think we've seen
0,
10,000
4, 5.
individual corals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
5 to 10, maybe?
Look at this cave.
It's a cave underwater.
Hey, we found a
it.
cave.
Get a picture of it. That's awesome. We've been searching
Fish.
for you.
Fish. Fish, fish, fish.
Where?
Fishing for compliments.
Right there. Above
I
the
think-
laser.
Yeah. Let's zoom in there,
Oh,
please.
yeah, hi.
That rock looks like it needs to be pushed.
Trundle.
Zoom in.
I don't think I can get at it without it being above the
Zooming
vehicle, so
in.
I'm not going to do it.
Need
Even if-
to
even if asked
whoa.
to.
Reduce the amount
Got
of light.
2 of them there.
Two
Oh,
of them.
two.
They're hanging
Hello.
out in the cave. That's home.
You got room for one more in your gang?
Okay. Family
Hang
portrait.
out for a bit.
Nobody will mess with you when I'm
Here we
around.
go.
You look so
Oh.
pouty.
Oh,
Very
so
ugly.
pouty.
Sad?
Okay.
Oh.
He's got a little hat on his head.
Grump, grump,
Man.
grump.
Nice.
Grumpy pants.
Jeez.
Now he looks sad.
Oh.
That's
Okay,
something on
now
top
we
of its
can
head.
go in.
That's his hat.
It's just
It's his toupee.
Yeah.
What is
That's why
that?
he's sad.
I
He goes.
It's part of him, I guess.
yeah, I
Nice.
think
Oh, I
it's
guess
just a
so.
little.
Scaled.
Toupee.
Put But the other one
Yeah.
didn't have that.
Let's find out. I think it might have. He's all twisted up.
Hey, roll over here.
Having a rough night. You got more zoom there, Wayne?
Oh yeah, I got some.
What's the little stringy thingy hanging off his side there?
I don't know. He's got like a
Oh,
little
they're
parasite. I
they're
saw
like
that on the
they're like
last one.
barbels. I
Yeah,
think
they're
they're
like
chin
barbels.
barbels.
Keep zooming in, Wayne. You got it?
Right, yeah.
Yeah,
That's as much
forks.
as I got.
Each barbel forked in 2 parts.
But the head looks very different.
Could it be a male-female difference?
Yeah, I was wondering about that.
They have a little parasite there on them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or a couple, one on the other side too. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Wild.
Matching parasites.
Yeah, that's why they call them
It's all the rage.
parasites.
Alright, come wide.
Helpless 12 to 4.
Sorry, Wayne.
Come wide, please.
Yeah, that was
Coming
great.
wide. Whoa. Oh, we found those in the cave.
It's their home.
Yeah, these sheep flows are incredible.
Nice.
Yeah. Great questions from our viewers. I don't know that there's a lot known. We don't have a fish expert on our watch to get an exact ID there, and many of these species, their ecology isn't really known. So as far as reproductive behaviors or how larval development stages and how they're dispersed, we can expect they're broadcast spawners like most fish, but sort of what that time in the plankton is or what that life cycle looks like, we are just barely establishing the baseline of who lives in this area. There's still so much left to learn about how they make this life in this area. I just love it.
It's neat to see how that horizontal line is so prominent.
Yeah, it's a great place to be.
The way they distribute it
I love a coral.
on the edge.
I think it's an overhang right there that they're underneath
Yeah.
it. That's
Mhm.
great. Location, location, location.
I'm gonna push in past the vignetting.
Please, yeah.
Oh, it's like a highlighter for that feature too, for that
Mhm.
little outcropping.
So I'm thinking at 45 past, I'll come back up to the top. I think that's the best place to do a handover, not tucked against the wall. But in the meantime, we can look at cool stuff.